Welcome guys, here in this video I will tell you how you can buy the Zuna token using your Trust wallet in PancakeSwap easily. Before starting the video, let's check the analytics of the Zuna token. Here you see the Zuna price increased 82% up in a few days, and this will be a historical boom in the next few days. I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing any single penny on this token. Guys, the Zuna community driving token is a taffy token, and it's the implementation milestone token burns. As it grows, the Zuna will becoming the large amount of token to reduce the supply and the increase the value. Guys, in addition, the Zuna NFTs collection, the Zuna will be the building NFT crowd share platform also, and the user will be able to earn the high value of NFTs via the buying and selling of other persons. Whenever the Zuna exchange will pair with the mobile crypto wallet per apps, you can easily buy from theirs also. Guys, according to Zuna, the team Zuna built the comprised of the six individual with the very of strength and the talents. It's a very strong project according to me, and you can buy easily from using your Trust wallet account. You see the price of Zuna is increased rapidly day by day. Here you see now it's standing at 0.12 and increased 81% up in the last few days. You see here the 24-hour volume of the Zuna token is already 3 million up, and it's 144% up before day. So let's start how you can buy the Zuna token easily. Here open the Trust wallet account and then click on the pancakeswap.finance website and then click on exchange. Here I show you again. Here open the pancakeswap website here, and when you open the PancakeSwap website, click on the exchange button. Here you see, and then click here how much BNB you want to spend, and then select the currency from where you want to exchange. I will pair here a Zuna. Here Zuna is not appearing. I have to copy the contract address of Zuna from CoinMarketCap website. Here its official contract address. I will mention in the description the link of this website where you can take copy address of the token. When you paste the address of Zuna token, it will appear here. Click on the import button and then click on the I understand, then import. Here you see a lot of millions coins you can buy with 0.002 BNB, and it's very good. Click on the swap button. Here let's check how much fees will be required for this transaction. You see the network fees of the Zuna token is 0.73, and my total amount will be spent is $1.96. It's easily. Guys, when you approve this transaction, go to your wallet and click on the token address, search token here, click here the paste address of Zuna token. You see here BP20 address will appear here, then click on the here Zuna, then you see the analytics of the Zuna token here also. Here you see the analytics of the coins. So you see 24-hour volume is almost 4 million, near to 4 million token. So in this way you can buy easily Zuna token. Thank you guys.